Hey everyone, it's Friday, April 9th, and I'm back for another round of Ford technical analysis. That's Ford ticker symbol F, and today we'll be reviewing this week's price action and discussing possible scenarios that could unfold on Monday. Let's get started by looking at our 30-minute chart. On Monday, high buying volume led to a rally that broke through the 200 SMA and tested the $13 level on Tuesday. However, there wasn't enough buying volume to break the $13 level, and a double top was formed, leading the remainder of the week into profit taking and a sell-off down to the 200 SMA. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, our current support level is the 20-period EMA, currently valued at 1240. Below that is the critical support level, the price at which I would stop my trade, and that is the daily 50 SMA, which is currently right above $12 at 1207 and rising. Now I'm going to discuss the daily trend that we've seen over the last few weeks. Let's start here on March 15th at the beginning of the correction exactly 4 weeks ago and go week by week observing the price and volume trends. The first week saw lots of selling volume and tested the 20 EMAs as a daily support. The next week rejected the $13 resistance on Monday, broke the 20 EMA support ending the previous daily rally, and tested the 50 SMA as a critical support level. The third week had the lowest volume yet and traded flat within a tight 50-cent range, intersecting the 20 EMA multiple times as it oscillated between the two psychological price points, $12 and $12.50, lacking the volume to make any significant move one way or the other. And that brings us to this week. On Monday, we saw the first signs of a reversal with the tall green daily candle that broke up through both the daily 20 EMA and last week's narrow price range. This Monday had more trading volume than any other day in the 2 weeks before it. We went on to test the $13 mark on Tuesday, and since that price point was rejected, we finished the week selling off at low volume. Now let me propose two scenarios that we could see next Monday morning. The first, which at this time seems more probable to me, is that we will see another high buying volume day on Monday, much like what we saw last Monday. This would lead to another test of the $13 resistance level next week. Indicators on the weekly chart also support this prediction. Note the decreasing volume trend of consecutive red weeks, and the subsequent increasing volume trend of the following green weeks. You have decreasing volume on red weeks followed by increasing volume on green weeks. This is a consistent pattern. We've seen this over and over. This is what has happened over the last few days. Thus, I'm taking this week's green candle and increased volume as further evidence that the multi-week correction is over. Now let's quickly cover the inverse scenario. If the weekly volume continues to trend down, it could send the price down below $12 to test the weekly 20 EMA. And while I believe this scenario is less probable, I've prepared by setting a stop loss at 1205 right under the daily 50 SMA critical support level. Alright, that's all for this analysis. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And if anyone's interested in supporting my channel and helping me make more videos like this, I've added a link for my Patreon below in the description. Thanks.